Today we are making a rich and flavorful mushroom and sausage risotto with a zesty twist of lemon. Start by preparing the onions, mushrooms, and garlic. While slicing the ingredients, I am also boiling the vegetable stock that I will be using for the risotto. In a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Saute the onions and garlic until soft. Add 1 cup of arborio rice and toast it for about 2 minutes. You will notice that the edges become slightly translucent. Next, stir in your sliced mushrooms. Let them cook with the rice for a few minutes until they start to soften and release their juices. Time for the wine! Pour in a 1/4 cup of dry white wine, and hey, no judgment if a little splash goes into your mouth too. Chef's privilege, right? At this stage, add a pinch of thyme and rosemary, just enough to make your kitchen smell like a forest in autumn. Once the wine is absorbed, start adding warm vegetable stock, 1 ladle at a time. Stir often, let it absorb, and repeat this process. This is where the risotto turns into creamy and rich. This slow process should take about 20 to 25 minutes. When the rice is al dente and the texture is creamy, add the grated Parmesan cheese to taste, a fresh squeeze of lemon juice for brightness, and season it with salt and pepper. Serve hot, topped with extra Parmesan, fresh herbs, and the air-fried sausage on the side. It's rich, hearty, and full of comforting flavor, just the way I like it.